Contact with nature brings physical benefits. Strengthens the immune system. Clean air, natural light, and beneficial microorganisms increase the body's resistance. Improves heart health and breathing. Walking, light jogging, and outdoor movement lower blood pressure and improve oxygenation. Develops coordination and thinking skills. Natural terrains, forests, rocks, soil, improve balance, strength, and flexibility. Improves sleep. Exposure to natural light regulates the biological rhythm and sleep quality. Reduces chronic physical fatigue. Nature helps the body regenerate more quickly. Thank you for your time.